Still before JCB the next remain of buffalo back up and who's a share kokoro say the next a pejam a jet tree to say call a jet tree to say call make I say me before GTV make me say assembly a bekan no platform han is a prophecy before GTV sa peja show so assembly a mekan habia is a prophecy and send by my me can say it's high time ye be ma youth na am e de ani die be ma mpanifo no na kasa twitwiri ne kasa tia no ye mpanifo no se nkura ne ka ye ntie won no mo ntwe won mfiri ho because abai de botachi no e bedu birebi no ye be bobo ba me kan but it seems say mpanifo no turn blind eye to it, they turn deaf ears to it, but am e baba be biemu ama mahu the reason why I make us same way me ma me nsam nyetenten yenko ne yenko tie asema Honorable Agyapong ene na koda on what the seat, the hot seat show so Kwaku Anan, Justice Kwaku Anan and Bifa Ebaya okeka na adwene kire His Excellency the Vice President. Na ye wi ayamye bi ensem num ne say if Kwaku Anan is wrong and na say Honorable Agyapong is wrong and na say omumienu no a mistake be on my year and I hand to on down. Young one ain't going to go to the assembly. We are, you deliberate, you talk on it.
Don't tell me, sir, I am attacking why Baumia. How dare you? Momuku social media. Masa, Mope baby infra attacking why? Attacking why? When I'm attacking John Mahama Diamonte, when I am saying something to former President Mahama Diamonte, I'm attacking Baumia. Are you sure? Absolutely rubbish. Nonsense. This is what you've done in this country for 30 solid years. We're going nowhere. 30 solid years. We ain't going nowhere. We are still where we are. Why can't you tell your leaders the truth? When the Vice President was telling John Mahama, and then you think the same chronicle of event is not applicable to him. How dare you? Go and do your worst. West. You think somebody care? Wherever I may find myself in anywhere in this global world, I will tell the Ghanaians the truth. Update. And some folk on a mutu on a muti, or money may be a koreamufe. Elfe. Yari. Smart Ghana update. Tell yourselves a Ghana, Mumi and country and say, and a prophet minus us. Into 100 and country, me who say, be must and before me be showy, be send the amount. Teachers say, who send out 7, who send out, say 190 countries acquire me to Kwaku. Come, me try TV soon, 190 countries acquire me to go and say it in defense. Me, you think so? Who is me a dumb? Me a dumb boo. You can't go natural. Be a Singapore, omudi free. They walk steps by step from third world economy to first world. Singapore, not for the go and check the mineral deposit or in Yoma, Singapore for more. Now they check is here the near saying. This is what the Vice President told you and I. That is a solid team. Where are the solid team? Look, nobody tried deceiving. Obian deceive you. I dare not come to me my way minus me because me come in no credit. Except that the Drew baby no in the papa say come on to but you better come the MPP government, not the party. The government must be told in plain words. You lied to Ghanaians. You deceived them. And you have even deceived the MPP as a party, the government. The solid team no more. As Vice President was saying it, solid team no more. As a CEO, no Vice President, no Casa Assembly. So Vice President assuming without admitting, I don't know, if he is to step in to contest elections, Vice President Baumia, as a man of a country Ghana. And never some and I'll be catching me for come to some education. And also, son of Cronosma in Kancho. I will tell you. You failed. You have failed. notwithstanding this, to break the ice from a third world economy to the first world economy. Singapore, what is saying here? South Korea, Singapore, Malaysia, what is saying here? But Bissau, how yeah. Singapore broke the ice from a third world economy now to first world. How did Singapore do it? Because position nipa ne yade ne kwhye ho no onim ho hwe unqualified, not even the academic background, but onim hwe wo ho, but still you never kwa kwhye ho positions ni bebre wa lobby wetuaka. I'm telling you, Ghanaian, I'm not joking. I know, given the circumstance of what I know, may say one day I will do a Ghana Speaks on this. Positions, yeto ministerial portfolios, yeto ewo my wim under NDC, under MPP. May say yeto they go and lobby no magic. On when him so I walk on I have recordings of some of these ministers. You be posting na ko heni fie ni je nkwa omo to party and I don't know. Oni so ontimi nyehwe wo. Ontimi nkwa yeah, the Ministry of Education only what it takes to drive the ministry yet obeko akwaje. Yeah, then call energy only say energy no only expertise yet obeko akwaje. Why are we doing this? Making not the nipa womu sefata say so edi post ma omu womu nim de e so omu ko no yemfema. Because only Godfather be wa bainim. Only Godfather be a. And this is what we have perpetuated against the consciousness of this country called Ghana. The Ministry of Education only what it takes to drive the ministry. Yet, obeko akwaje.
Say recording.
You didn't call energy. Only say energy. No only expertise. Yet, obeko akwaje. Why are we doing this? Making not the nipa. Womu sefata say so edi post ma omu. Womu nim de e so omu ko. No yemfema. Because only Godfather be wa bainim. Only Godfather be a. And this is what we have perpetuated against the consciousness of this country called Ghana. Onyankopon hu ye maboate. Me kan ne kro ne kirao. Ena wampe ena obuafu a ma obunfu. I don't care. Me kan ne kro ne kirao. Ena obuafu ena wo so wo ye den a. I don't care. I'll be here to do my job, services to God and mankind, and I don't lose anything. Maybe I'm a cast mechanical, and then the chrono will let me suffer consequences for it or thereof. Let it be, and let it be now.
Let it be, and let it be now. Se Ghana, it's high time as you know, my advina say, see a can of creno, now the creno, ebemaya, let it be, and let it be now. It will be good. Yemu say, Hajiniwi, as some na, Kwaku Anankan is a siano. Se a no cresses, some way won't tea. Anna, Honorable Kennedy, Akumpreko Agyapong, Epamo, friend is a Kwaku Anana. I'm highly disappointed. Jeja make us ask him new. See the year will be dear, and no dear ye. Bear the year with dear dear, and ye now a human port, your friends, a human, show no more ye then. That is a show no more yen for political gains in Kwa. Oh my God, a friend, yensom, any nipa. Name me say, yeah, adiano. Said ye be yan kofo mo ye ade be ma my Ghana be dinya no ye be dwene ho na ya ma ni poma sibrasi asem na Kwaku na kan no mimitie nsem bi wom na aba me fa wom ni say ye the incompetent people be akwosese ba bi and ama on my Ghana AC happening because I started me imagine I will campaign for Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, but if this is how things are going there now I think say munyina mu ye the same. Say if this is and some na Kwaku na kan is see and say sansem no so no odigina muntie ma asem yo e bia na bibi foforo nti no apam no dia no problem but say sansem ye o kan ye say vice president Kachire former president at that time na John Dramani Mahama was a sitting president and a vice president at that time no a aspiring vice president for MPP Utimi Kachire and say he's incompetent. Na ya di mantle na maw na wo ye na musumu nye ni ye na say the same show na no mo dem no Ono so be catch there say you people are incompetent. Na mo pamone dia. Na kire say birds of the same feathers flock together. It's high time I will tell you people the truth. Because on my Ghana be here, this year the competent people, SC positions, young family and friends now. You for we and negotiate. Only pan on there are some people who are they are not qualified to be there. They lobby. Now the more question. And do you need any experience there? No, I'm on mine. I trash it down. Singapore as some of the example. And no, it's true. And did there be a number to go for a comparison? And now my Ghana had the Ukraine bomb or mato. And then you had the buya mine. Or my no because of Ukraine. And the enemy. Ukraine give me independence. You know me kwaje ya na. And the atu bomb ako bi kroma. E kire say ye de enye ye bio. It's high time I will tell you people the truth. Say mudi or my Ghana bro than good. It's high time we people tell you the truth. Say, Munya or my Ghana brought DNA Mudino. Because the only person I trusted in this is Honorable Agyapong. But Honorable, I'm pleading. If this is what Fred is saying, Kofi Anna Kwaku Anai said Kandia. And then I'm disappointed. Because said Kwaku Anai only asema okeka atem the day I always speak against say. Some person too penyin for. Don't insult. Tunufo. Tell the person the point. Say adie we na wo yen emwa. Speak your mind, but don't insult. Wo dey atem die bam dia na wo se asem no because omo ye mpanifo. E wo se ye ni die emma wo mo se mpanifo. But e do level bi so ne ye ni die ni mamwa. Positions na assign your mama. Do what you can. Don't do things that will be no. Now put the nation at jeopardy or at the expense of own benefits. This is what is going on in Ghana. And then they are enjoying life. And the youth near Wasi and we are suffering. Akron for dosu or maimu and great German for dosu or maimu just because they are putting the wrong people at the positions. So be or hear me be a audio no be a say Kwaku Anai say asem no mama pia na manaka bi a kira ndisi for dia. Na say the same problem na ndisi for here na ebi ba wa NDP with dia. Obeka in mind because he's thinking about the welfare of the nation. But now no at the ekotia NDC at the NDC for me nipa na. Sabi me obi ani me political affiliation me in my life me to my ba NDC that every day be am to MPP but this time around I'm very disappointed. I am very disappointed and I don't think say me Kwaku jina say me koto ababio. No, because I don't see anybody going to do good thing for Ghana. MPP and this omunyina they are doing nothing for the nation. Na adentina there ye de mahama no de obi ka bi so akire ayi no so say do your thing where you are not on point there. That one is an insult. Enya an insult. I be na waka asem foforo bi odi atema any audio no mo there. Because so ka say adwuma na mo ye no mo nye no there. Mo assign adwuma no wrong people a onidi matem. This a beer what did you attempt for problem amante because me audio na me tie no man who an insult be o me who said that Kwaku Anai is not telling the truth. Sir, mo na mo pia na man keka nsem na ngo so waka wie enne we hu say ma ban ni muso ebi wom enti won so ka na adwene hwa ye say won kramadi agora na otafre wa no seriously panifo be o mo bunyansa wom won kramadi agora na otafre wa no Satam show no honorable na betena so bi na mo so pampanifo ni bi ni ade me honorable me pawasem papa I love you but this time around ade we decision we I will take here there I'm disappointed. So if this now because I see you to be point blank me who say o de o kan asem straightforward straight but I don't know say before for there any honorable come out and say it. But if this audio now matter there, I'm disappointed. Seriously. If this is the audio there, I'm disappointed. Because let's campaign for Honorable Agyapong. Let's campaign for Honorable Agyapong. Let's campaign for Honorable Agyapong. My tram platform was why you day because I see only the only candidate you say oh yes, but Honorable same way they enjoy you. Seriously. A beer. Na o the vice president atema any audio no dia but say true to you ka say ye the unqualified people na ehye ho no enu nti na wa close the show ni dia I'm disappointed seriously and it's high time I was say you to ni hunu say Ghana ye mpanifo na ye de omo hye ho no they are disappointing the nation mama yet why ye mind na ye because bed enefu ene boarding den electricity ne boarding den edan yenka ene obi so ya ban adwuma sika de be man ye peanuts even paying the person require a problem and then nurses for now 7 months in trianeka makoya napko obi napko kakra nam de be man be 8 months and first scan man no enti wo busa ho se adwuma na akreti amana na wa man adwuma ho nsa amana sika ena mo de scan ba na mo fum na mo live luxurious life on my ben ye chichirin say mini aba ma mo me ni na ho let's pray for mother Ghana because Ghana is sick. God bless you and stay blessed. I am the Jumedi and Bessie, Medina, still a number 4 back up. Me camera of Pocket TV on the generator, a dan camera man. Me catch us audition change so bra. Nabajo form the business in Pocket TV, one of the best baby omoye sini papa and ma share when you God bless you and stay blessed. Bye bye.